If two liquids are mixed in equal volumes, their resultant density is 5 gram per cc. And mixed in equal masses, their resultant density is 4.8 gram per cc. The ratio of their densities is 2 by k, then k is. There are two liquids. Initially they mixed in, case 1. So there are two liquids. If they mixed in equal volumes, then density of mixture, suppose two liquids mixed in equal volumes, then density of mixture, let us say rho m1, density of mixture is equal to how much? 5 gram per cc. Okay. Case 2, suppose if they mixed in equal masses, now what about resultant density? Now density of mixture will be rho, let us say rho m2 is equals to how much? 4.8 gram per cc. The ratio of their densities is 2 by k. So ratio of their densities means ratio of liquid densities, ratio of two liquids densities, their densities is equals to 2 by k, then k is equal to, okay. Now suppose if two liquids mixed in equal volumes, density of mixture rho m1 is equals to, what is the formula? Rho, let us say density of liquid 1 rho 1, density of liquid 2 rho 2, then rho 1 plus rho 2 by 2. This formula is useful when two liquids mixed in equal volumes. Now from this rho m1 how much? Rho m1 is 5 gram per cc is equals to rho 1 plus rho 2 by 2. Transpose 2, division becomes multiplication. Now rho 1 plus rho 2 is equals to 5 into 2, 10. Let it be equation number 1. Now what is our next case? Equal masses. What is our case 2? If they mixed in equal masses, rho m2, okay na, resultant density is equals to 2 rho 1 rho 2 by rho 1 plus rho 2. Rho m2 how much? 4.8 gram per cc. 2 rho 1 rho 2 by rho 1 plus rho 2. Again rho 1 plus rho 2 from equation 1, rho 1 plus rho 2 is equal to how much? 10. Okay, now here put rho 1 plus rho 2 is equal to 10. Then 4.8 is equals to 2 rho 1 rho 2 by rho 1 plus rho 2. 10 transpose, okay, 10 division becomes multiplication. So 2 rho 1 rho 2 is equals to 4.8 into 10 how much? 48. Or you can write 4.8 into 10. 4.8 means 48 by 10 into 10. 10 get cancelled. So 2 rho 1 rho 2 is equals to 48. So this is equation number 2. Okay, we need ratio of liquid densities rho 1 by rho 2. So say we have two equations now. Rho 1 plus rho 2 is equals to 10, and one more equation 2 rho 1 rho 2 is equals to 48. 2 rho 1 rho 2 is equals to 48. So we have a formula in linear algebra. There is an algebraic identity: a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equals to 4ab. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equals to 4ab. Okay, So using this formula, put A is equal to rho 1, B is equal to rho 2. Then you will get rho 1 plus rho 2 whole square minus rho 1 minus rho 2 whole square is equal to 4 rho 1 rho 2. Rho 1 plus rho 2 how much? 10. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. From equation number 1, rho 1 plus rho 2 10. 10 square minus rho 1 minus rho 2 whole square is equals to 4 rho 1 rho 2. From this equation we can write rho 1 rho 2 is equals to 2 ones are 2 24s are. So rho 1 rho 2 is equals to 24. So 4 into 24. Okay. So 10 square means how much? 100 minus rho 1 minus rho 2 whole square. So 4 into 24, how much? 4 24s are 96. Okay. Now transpose 100. You will get minus of rho 1 minus rho 2 whole square plus 100 becomes minus 100. 96 minus 100 minus 4. So minus of rho 1 minus rho 2 whole square equals to minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled. Now rho 1 minus rho 2 whole square is equals to 4. Okay. Now from this equation rho 1 minus rho 2 is equals to square root of 4. Let us assume here rho 1 greater than rho 2. Density of liquid 1 is greater than density of liquid 2. Then you will get plus 2. Root 4 value is plus 2. So rho 1 minus rho 2 is equal to how much? Plus 2. So we have rho 1. Now we want rho 2. Then use equation number 1. Rho 1 plus rho 2 is equals to 10. To find rho 2, transpose rho 1. 10 minus rho 1. So rho 2 is equals to 10 minus rho 1 is 7. 10 minus 7, 3. So 3 gram per cc. So finally we have got density of liquid 1 is 7 gram per cc. Density of liquid 2 is 3 gram per cc. Okay. So in this question you given that ratio of their densities is 2 by k. Ratio of their densities is 2 by k. Here what is the ratio of their densities? Rho 1 by rho 2 is equals to 7 by 3. Okay. Here you given ratio as 2 by k. Now do cross multiplication. 7k is equals to 6. Now k is equals to how much? 6 by 7. Now we have equations. Rho 1 plus rho 2 is equals to 10. Okay, no? And rho 1 minus rho 2 is equals to 2. Let us add equation, this equation and this equation. So plus rho 2 minus rho 2 get cancelled. Rho 1 plus rho 1, 2 rho 1 is equals to 10 plus 2, 12. Now rho 1 is equal to how much? 12 by 2 is equals to 6 gram per cc. So to find rho 2, use this equation, equation 1. Now rho 1 plus rho 2 is equal to 10. Rho 1 how much? 6 gram per cc plus rho 2 is equals to 10. Now rho 2 is equals to 10 plus 6 becomes minus 6. Rho 2 is equals to 4 gram per cc. Okay. So we have got rho 1 by rho 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So let us take reciprocal. Rho 2 by rho 1 is equals to reverse. 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3. So in this question you given that ratio of the densities is 2 by k. So it means rho 2 by rho 1 only. Because see here numerator is 2. So now compare 2 by 3. So what is the value of k? K is equal to 3. Therefore what is the value of k? K is equals to 3. This is the final answer.